When students are accessing your Zoom lesson on an iPad, this is the app that they need, Zoom Cloud Meetings. So they would open that one up, click on Join a Meeting, put in your meeting ID that you've sent them on the email. The teacher needs to admit them into the lesson. Then your student needs to call using the internet audio, and we can either share our content with them. So if I click here as the teacher on share screen, I can give them a whiteboard and share. Now on that whiteboard I can do some drawing, and then you can see it's coming up on the student's iPad as well. Then if I change that and share something else with them, I can share with them something to teach them, and then you can see they're saying that on their iPad. And then if I want them to write on that, it's a bit confusing because we've got so many copies here of the screen, but down here this is where the student would turn their pen on, and then they can write on the screen, and I will see that on my screen as the teacher as well. So I'm going to stop that share. Then I want the student to be sharing with me. So they will tap on the screen, go to share content at the top, share their screen. Now it depends on which operating system they're using on the iPad. With the older one this may not work, but with the newer ones it will. When the student clicks on start broadcast, then we will be able to see on our Zoom screen the app that the student is actually using. So if we're teaching them a writing lesson, for example, on Clicker Docs, this is an app I use for most of my primary students to support their writing. Then they can do their writing and we can be coaching them in that for the lesson online. You can also record the lesson here if you needed a copy of it, and when you've finished you click on End Meeting. So you can see there isn't much that we can't do with online lessons as we face what the next few months is going to bring. So stay well everybody and have fun doing some Zoom lessons.